Welcome to another edition of Alberta Healthy Communities, and where we are talking about gathering perspectives to build an online hub with ideas and stories on things that communities are doing in terms of cancer prevention or building healthy communities. And today we're talking about urban planning and design. Every year, Planetizen recognizes 10 websites as the best online resources for urban planning, design, and development. And one of the first that they recognize is civic crowdfunding site IOB. This is very similar to the well-known model of Kickstarter, where users present a project for fundraising and then the public can then decide on a level of support for the project. And because the projects are civic in nature, IOB has proven to have beneficial effects for local efforts of placemaking and community building. The next one that we're looking at is Esri Story Maps. They offer a free and easy-to-use tool for creating effective and visual stories. So by offering story maps with free access, Esri leverages the world of mapping into the world of storytelling, and it creates a very welcome and valuable addition to the toolbox of anyone who cares about the places, planet, or the people. And for an example of the power of this platform, check out Atlas for a Changing Planet. And it's very bright, interactive, engaging, imaginative, and the possibilities for story maps are boundless. The next one is something called Greater Places. It provides a very organized visual example of network communities and great ideas. So think of Greater Places as a compendium of case studies ranging in subject from plan making, resilience, equitable development, street design, water, and many more. There are also the social media sites, Pinterest and Instagram. Now, a lot of times social media integration has been a bit of a buzzword. So planners and designers are faced with the task of trying to pitch projects to the public, and the two platforms that have a surprising knack for facilitating better planning and design understanding are Instagram and Pinterest. As an example, the city of Mobile, Alabama used the app's geotagging function to create an initial database of blighted and vacant properties. So in effect, Instagram provided a cheap and easy tool that made it much easier to take that initial tentative step in a large planning effort. Now, the power of Pinterest is exemplified by Slow Ottawa's Pinterest page, which gathers and presents ideas about how to improve planning and design outcomes. And Slow Ottawa's Pinterest board includes visual presentations of ideas for streets for everyone, street furniture, hydrology, and even planning failures. So Pinterest is so well suited for organizations who are looking for an accessible, cheap, and shareable platform for ideas. It's kind of a wonder we don't see more doing it. Another one is the Street Mix site. It has attracted a fair bit of attention. Street Mix allows users to design, remix, and share street ideas by providing an interactive street diagram that's easily manipulated by dragging and dropping things like car lanes, bike lanes, landscaping, bus shelters, bus lanes, and rail transit. So the use of Street Mix is for maybe academic instruction, outreach, and even advocacy. And you can also think of this as a bit habit-forming and entertaining tool for seasoned urban planners. One of the other ones that we're looking at is Strong Towns. Strong Towns is one of the few essential reads focused on planning that offers excellence in advocacy, reportage, and rhetoric. And it's also a model of online engagement. So if you're looking for a gold standard of presenting and supporting ideas about how to improve the built environments, Strong Town is it. The next one is WalkScope. Now, WalkScope is a rare example of crowdsourced public engagement that actually works. Walk Denver and Place Matters created the platform to engage the public in gathering information about the pedestrian environment in Denver. So the color-coded map that results from all this collaboration quickly and clearly identifies the gaps in the pedestrian network. So as we can see, there are a number of really great websites that can be used in urban planning to create healthy environments and communities. just simply through engaging the public and using some of these apps. Hope you enjoyed today's session, and please comment and let us know if there are any favorites or any ones that you're thinking of using or that might be beneficial and helpful to you.